Oh, Laurel says students don't like turning on cameras either. Um, Actually, I think a mixed review. I mean, we've had to go this year to online educational delivery with students, and it's had mixed experience. A lot of people didn't like it, but some people persevered, and so I think that's something that is going to become more common. Years ago, the Chicago Art Institute had gotten a big grant from, I think it was the US government, to develop what education might look like in the future. And they developed a system called Play-Doh. It was very futuristic, in its time. We're talking about maybe mid 70s, late 70s. And the idea basically was that you would get a computer, it was before personal computers, that was your 4 years of college in a box, and that it would answer every question or provide a gateway to people who could answer any of your questions. And you could literally spend whatever number of days in whatever vertical, subject, and get educated remotely without ever meeting a person. And so that was pretty visionary at the time, and certainly has evolved into one aspect of what education is like today, somewhat, especially this year.